Hi. Today we're going to do this column right here. It says the Vietnam War. I know it says Monday and we're Wednesday, August the 26th, but we're going to start right here so we can just keep going. So the Vietnam War. You also have this story and the questions in the packet that you picked up at school. So let me turn to the first page so you can look for it and you can follow along. Okay, ready? The Vietnam used to be two countries. North Vietnam had a communist government, and South Vietnam was not a communist country. Some people in South Vietnam, called the Viet Cong, wanted communism. A war broke out. The United States entered the war to help keep democracy. The war was hard. Finally, the United States left Vietnam. Vietnam became one country with a communist government. So take a look at the map right here. Some questions are going to be asked in reference to the map, but you can always come back. Since you have the paper in front of you, you can always just turn back and look for your answers. So here are the questions. There's 8 questions, a couple of multiple choice, fill in the blank. Once you're finished with this, please take a picture and send it to me, either through text or you can upload it to Teams. Go ahead and upload it. Make sure we're able to see question and answer so it can be graded. If you have any questions, call me and I will be glad to help you.